This is the kind of God we serve. You cannot serve I am and be broke. You cannot serve I am and be broke, because I am is not broke. I am is rich. You cannot serve I am and be hungry, because he feeds everyone that he comes in contact with. And you know what? He says, I am the resurrection and the life. So it therefore means where death has been taken, where life has been taken from a person, it is for I am not to show up. If I am shows up there, life comes back there. So it means nothing is permitted to die in the presence of I am. Can I speak to you here? Nobody will die around you. No business will die in your hands. No ministry will die in your hands. Shout amen. Then he used one word. I am the way. Which means I am cannot be confused. Saying I don't know what to do. I don't know where to turn to. I don't know what to answer. No. I am what? The way. Which means there's always a direction. He said you shall hear a voice behind thee saying what? This is the way, walk ye in it. Once grace has entered you and I am shows up, you will have direction for life. Every one of us who are confused right now, I release grace for direction by the mystery of I am, in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. He said, I am he that was dead, but what? I'm alive. Oh Lord God Almighty. It means dead things come to life when I am shows up. That is be your portion in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. So as I speak this morning, if anything has died in your head, I prophesy by the mystery of the grace of I am, they come back to life again. Your businesses come back to life again. Your jobs come back to life again. Your organs come back to life again. Shout, I am alive. I met a man some years ago. I called him out by prophecy. Sit down. And he walked over to me and said, my bishop, he said, my manhood is dead. How can your manhood be dead? He said, it's not functioning. Then it means I am is absent. When I am is present, every dead thing comes back to life. I am he that was dead, but is alive again. So I said, if it was dead before, it will come to life again. He looked at me, and the wife was very concerned. I said to him, not to worry. Come. I laid hands on him. I said, go. Come back tomorrow and tell me the story. He came back the next day and said, it is working. I said, how did you know? He said, call my wife. Let her testify. I said, that's a good one. Am I talking to someone here? You will leave this place and every dead thing around you, just by your presence, it will come to life. I said, God will use you to bring dead things back to life. God will use you to bring dead situation back to life. Dead marriages back to life. Dead businesses back to life. Dead bodies back to life. Dead organs back to life. Shout it, I am alive. Sit down, I will get out of your way very soon. If you now understand what the Lord says you are and who the Lord says you are, you will no longer be under the influence of circumstances and situations. Now hear this. Jesus now turns over to his disciples and asked, who do men say that I, the Son of Man, am? Now, they now began to say, some people say this, some people say that. But he said, but who do you say I am? And then Peter said, thou art the Christ, the Son of the living God. Then he said, flesh and blood had not revealed it to you, but my Father which is in heaven. So which means when flesh and blood begins to reveal to you what they think you are and who they think you are, they will identify you with people on the earth. And their assumption and opinions of you is never correct. But by revelation of the Father, you discover who you are. And as he is, so are we. He said, thou art the Christ, the anointed one, the Son of the living God. So you carry two identities that you have not discovered. Shout, I am the Christ.
I am the Christ.
No, somebody thinks I am just talking. Say, I am the Christ.
I am the Christ.
The word Christ means anointed, which means I am the one that has been anointed. The reason why men can touch you is that you have not discovered that you are anointed. For it says, touch not my anointed and do my prophets no harm. I have been anointed, so no evil hand can touch me. Now, when were you anointed? When the Spirit of God came upon you, the anointing came upon you. The anointing is the Holy Ghost. Is the Spirit that came and resided in you the day he entered into you. And by virtue of his presence in you, you have become what? Anointed. Now follow closely. It is not just the oil on your head that is the anointing. It is the Spirit that entered that makes you the anointed one. And if the Spirit is in you, it means God is in you. And if God is in you, you are the Son of God. The Son of God. Please take note. I close by this. When Jesus showed up, he showed up in two dimensions. The Son of Man and the Son of God. The Son of Man refers to his humanity. The Son of God refers to what? His divinity. His connection with divinity. And he manifested in glory by the power of the Son of God more than he manifested as what? The Son of Man. He just became the Son of Man to take sons of men to become sons of God, so that they could do as he has done. That is why he says, the works I do shall ye do also, but greater works than these shall ye do, because I go unto my Father. What enabled Jesus to do what he did was the Spirit of God that entered into him. And what will enable you to do what you do is the Spirit of God that is in you. The Spirit of I am showed up in him, and he did what he did. And that same Spirit of I am is in you. You too should be able to do some dangerous things. Stand to your feet and shout, I am anointed.